Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to switch Roblox accounts. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to switch between different Roblox accounts on mobile. Start by opening the Roblox app, where you see your current profile already signed in. If you want to move to another account, tap the More button in the bottom right corner, then scroll down until you find Switch Accounts. Once you open it, you'll see all accounts previously added to your device. To include another one, tap Add Account, and you can either sign in to an existing profile or create a brand new one. After logging in, whether through password or Face ID, Roblox will take you straight into that account. Anytime you want to move back, return to the More section, select Switch Accounts, and choose the profile you want to use. This makes swapping between accounts fast, convenient, and effortless. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.